After over 20 years of keeping houseplants, I have found one of the best ways to get rid of fungus gnats is to prevent them in the first place. One of the things you're going to want to do every time you buy a new houseplant is to take your plant and soak it in enough water that it covers over the top of your soil. And what this does is it drowns the fungus gnat larva. You're going to leave this in here for about an hour, and it's not going to hurt your plant because you water this thoroughly after you repot it anyway. Another thing you want to do is spray all of your foliage with some type of insecticide like neem oil, so that just in case there are any fungus gnats on this, you're going to get rid of those. And the next thing you want to do is every time you buy potting soil, before you go to bring it inside and use it, you want to pour enough water in here that you can also drown any larva that's in this soil. Another option is to let the soil dry out completely, but I have found that when I have tried doing that, there always ends up being a little bit of moisture still in my soil, no matter how long I let it sit, and I still ended up with gnats. So I continue to do it this way. And after that sits for a while, all of this will start to become moist. Anything that is still dry on the top, I will go ahead and put more water over. And once again, I leave this sit for an hour. I drain out the extra water, and then no more fungus gnats.